standard installs are getting bigger and bigger. Like all the normal cars are getting massive screens. I want a massive screen in my car. And that's exactly what Kenwood have done. They've just given us a 10.1 inch floating display. So it's been officially released for about 3-4 days now, and I've already got it in my car because it is literally the future of head units as we know it. So the new DMX 9720XDS, as we like to call it, the 10.1 inch Mahusive display, it comes on board with HD camera capabilities. We now miss out on having grainy photos and grainy reverse camera images. Making use of the HD display, as well as that, you can now have your own media player on there, so you can actually fully play movies and things like that from it. It's just perfect for being able to watch any type of content you want. It's got all the audio file capability you ever need. It's got a new 360-degree camera system in it, which means that you get this cool, like, top-down bird's eye view of what's going on with your vehicle, and comes standard with all the big features that you want from a new unit. So it's got wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, it's got wireless mirroring, it's got an HDMI port on board. You can pretty much do anything and everything with this unit.